Hello everybody, thank you so much for tuning in to today's current faves and nays video. I have been dying to film this for so long. I have some really good products that I want to share with you. I do have a couple nays that I kind of want to talk about. I feel like this favorites video is going to be all over the place because it's going to be really chatty. I have makeup, I have hair products, I have jewelry. I think we're going to have fun though in today's video, and I also want to mention people are having a barbecue outside and these walls are paper thin so you can hear everything. So if you guys hear some weird things happening, someone's having a crazy barbecue. It sounds like a lot of fun. I'm kind of jealous that I'm not out there with them, but please forgive me if it's a little bit noisy. But yeah, let's get into this favorites video because I'm super excited. Haven't done one in a long time and like I'm just due for it. I'm gonna start off with eyeshadow because I feel like I've switched up my eyeshadow game a little bit. So I do something very simple, guys. I just do like a little baby winged eyeliner. I'll either use the Too Faced Better Than Sex liner or the Physicians Formula Eye Booster Ultra Fine Liquid eyeliner. My Too Faced one, I ran out. It's completely done. I love this liner, guys. It's so easy to use. It's a little brush tip. It is super black, and like I said, very easy to use, which is very important to me. The Physicians Formula one I've loved for years. It is also very easy to use. I just feel like it's not as black as the Too Faced one, so that's why I prefer this one. I got a Sephora gift card for my birthday, so I'm probably gonna repurchase this, but for now I'm using this one and it's totally fine. The Physicians Formula one is like the best at the drugstore, so either one of these, like I said, a very thin line and a little baby wing. And then on the lower lash line, I will do just a funky color. So recently I did one using this Urban Decay Ultraviolet palette. I love this palette. I really don't use it as much as I should, but I did my little baby wing and then I did this really pretty purple color on my lower lash line. It looked so pretty. I filmed a video on it and everything, but I never posted it. I don't know if you guys still want to see it. It's just so simple that I'm like, people are gonna think I'm crazy. Actually, before I do my eyeliner, I'll use just a very light transition color. Like for this tutorial, I used Naked. What is this one called? Oh, Hacked, sorry. I did just a very light transition color, and then I did my little wing, and then I put the bright purple on the lower lash line. It's just it looks so pretty. It's so simple, but so pretty. I also have done green on the lower lash line. This is the Colourpop Cosmetics The Child palette. I'll do like this green on the bottom or one of these olive greens. But with this palette, I recently did a tutorial and everybody, I posted my Sephora like VIB wish list. I think that's what it was, and I had this on my eyes and people were like, what the heck is on your eyes? It looks so pretty. And it was the Child palette. I posted the tutorial up a couple days later and it was just a really pretty tutorial, guys, and I'm not trying to like toot my own horn or anything, but it was really pretty. That same night that I filmed those videos, I went out and I did the same exact eyeshadow tutorial, and so many people were like, your eyes are freaking beautiful. The eyeshadow is on point. I have to buy a new palette because this shade just totally broke all over my legs and everything. It had broken before, but I thought I had pressed it back together. Obviously not, so I just had to clean all of that up. But that is a beautiful palette. I love it. Now, obviously, if you don't like green eyeshadow, you're probably not gonna like this palette. But if you like to play with a little color every now and then, this is gorgeous. And you know Colourpop Cosmetics, they have a great quality. So those two palettes I've been using like crazy. And then one that's new to me that I picked up is the Too Faced Born This Way Sunset Stripped. I posted a tutorial with this palette as well recently, and this is really pretty, guys. It is a very pretty, like chocolatey, bronzy eyeshadow palette. Do you have something similar in your collection? Probably, if you like makeup and if you collect makeup. Do you need this palette? No, but I love it. Like, it has so many transition shades for me. It has so many all over the lid colors, crease colors. I love it. I don't regret buying it. I have a video, like I already mentioned, and I do swatches and all of that. So yeah, I really like this palette. I know people are kind of over Too Faced, but for me, this is a good one. I love it. Probably have something similar in my collection, but I don't regret buying it. I do really like it. So those are my eyeshadow favorites. Now I'm gonna move on to bronzer. I have been obsessed with cream bronzer, guys, and I'm not a pro at all. I really struggled with cream bronzer for a long time, and cream contour and cream blush for that matter, but I have been practicing and I feel like I've gotten a lot better. I'm trying to find dupes for the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Contour one because this is always sold out. It's very hard to get your hands on. but if you can get your hands on it, guys, you get your hands on it, okay? I love this product so much. It is so pretty. I haven't found anything similar, or like, I haven't found anything that's like, you know, a complete dupe, but I'm working on it. I did a TikTok of comparing the Charlotte Tilbury with the Maybelline Instant Age Eraser. And I will, if you guys don't know, my TikTok's down below. It's all that fresh. You should follow me. I did a little comparison, and the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser thingy isn't bad. I used it today, and I got a lighter shade. And if you use a little bit, you have to remember, well, I have to remember that this is a concealer, so it's a little bit more pigmented than this. So I think the first time that I used this in my TikTok, I used a little bit too much, but I used it today very lightly. It looks really, really pretty. I think this is a good option. I can't find the right color. Like, this one is too warm, and the other one I thought the other one was actually too dark, but I think I just used too much product. But anyway, this is one that I've been liking. I have it on today, like I said, and it worked really well. So this is a good, you know, it's up there. It's not an exact dupe, but you can definitely use it. If you can't find this, you can definitely use this and get a similar look. e.l.f. Putty Bronzer is really, really good too, guys. This one is in tan lines, and I do like this product. It looks beautiful on my skin. I've used it a couple times and I'm like, wow, this looks good. The only thing that I don't like about it, I don't like the cream products that are in like packaging like this. I prefer to have a wand and like draw it on my face than to have to take my sponge and dab, 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 and dab, 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 or like a brush. I just prefer, I kind of wish this was like in a stick or something, but nonetheless, it is a good, the product itself is very, very good. It looks good on the skin. It's not patchy or cakey or anything like that. So I do like it a lot. I just prefer, you know, wands and brushes and like sticks, you know what I mean? But this is a very good option. I highly, highly recommend. Next bronzer is not cream, but this is my favorite bronzer right now. This is by Revlon. It's the SKINLIGHTS Prismatic Bronzer. This is shattered. I dropped it, but I'm still using it. This is in Sunlit Glow. It is really pretty. In the packaging, like right now looking at it, it looks like it has a crazy shimmery sheen, but it really doesn't look like that on the face. It kind of blends out on your face. It's a really pretty color. I use this, so I switch off my bronzers. I'll use this one. I'll use the Alamar Cosmetics one. I'll use my Hourglass bronzer. But I noticed every time I use this bronzer, people would be like, oh my god, you look so tan today. I really like it. Oh my god, did you go out in the sun? And so there are certain people that I will ask, like, hey, is it because I put too much bronzer on? Like, is my bronzer too much? And people will tell me the truth because they know I do like makeup videos and everything, and they're like, no, honestly, it looks like your skin. It honestly looks like you were outside and you got a tan. And they're like, I'm confused because I saw you at work all day. So I'm like, when did she get this tan? So I don't know. I really like it. I get compliments when I wear this bronzer. It looks pretty. It's not muddy. It's not patchy. It doesn't look dry on my skin. So I'm in love with it. I am going to purchase a new one because this I'm about to like completely break. It's about to just fall out, but really good bronzer. I like it. If you guys are, you know, if you guys want a new bronzer, try this one out by Revlon. Oh my god, if I had a fuzz in my hair the whole time. Those are actually all of the makeup items, which I didn't want to do all in one shot, but too late for that. Now we're gonna move on to hair though. So I have been curling my hair like this for quite some time now, like several months, and I'm obsessed. I love it. I have thin hair and I also don't have a lot of hair. So I feel like this hairstyle gives me volume. Now, honestly, I do have like 2 wefts of extensions in, but they're like little baby ones, just for like a little bit of length. And really when I do my hair like this, I don't even need extensions. I feel like it's just kind of habit to put extensions in, but my hair just looks really good, guys. This is how my natural hair looks, but way better. Way better. My natural hair, I hate it. Some parts are straight, some parts are curly, some are wavy. It's really bad. So when I curl my hair like this, it's nice and consistent all around. I love it. I use this product. I got it from Amazon. It'll be in my Amazon link, and it's just like a little, it's called a curler, but it just reminds me of a crimper, you know? But I love this, and it takes me, if I'm like lollygagging watching TV while I'm curling and crimping my hair, it'll take me like 30 minutes, but if like I'm focused, it's 20 minutes. It's really, really not that long. So yeah, I love it. I love the way my hair looks. It gives me volume. I don't look so thin and you know, not cute. I love this, and that's all I do. I crimp it and I'm done. I don't have to put hairspray. I don't have to do any of that. It stays like this this for days. If I put dry shampoo in at the perfect time, not when my hair's already greasy, I can keep my hair like this for days. I usually wash my hair every other day, but I can go an extra day when I wave my hair like this, and it stays, guys. It stays, and no hairspray. So I love this product. I use it all the freaking time. I highly recommend it. One hair product that is a nay for me, and I really, really wish it would have worked, is this Miss Jessie's Quick Curls. I don't know, I heard good things about this, but I've tried this on my hair wet. I've tried it on my hair damp. I've tried it on my hair dry with, like, I'll mix it in with some water and I'll put it in and scrunch it up, and my hair just looks honestly worse than it does naturally. So this doesn't work for me, but I have wavy hair, really. Some, like I said, some parts are wavier than others, some parts are straight. I also have thin hair and things like that, so this just didn't work for me. Maybe if you had like really tight curls, this would work, but for me, And it also, I feel like it kind of weighed my hair down too. It smells really good. It smells fresh and clean, but it kind of weighed my hair down. So this is a full bottle. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Maybe I'll see if like my friend wants it or something. But yeah, this did not work for me. It didn't help my curls, weighed down my hair. It's like, it did nothing, you know? And then another hair product that's, I don't want to say it's a nay, I'm not going to repurchase this again. This is by Vegamore. It's their GRO hair serum. So I never fall for ads anymore, but I fell hard for this ad. A girl was just putting this in her hair. She had long, luscious hair, and this is supposed to help with shedding. And I do find that I shed a lot. Like every time I wash my hair, like a lot of hair falls out. So I was like, you know what, let me see if this helps, and maybe it'll help me have, you know, maybe I'll feel like I have more hair if I stop shedding. So I will tell you, you do have to use this for the full 30 days. By the way, I finished this. There's nothing left in here. And I will say it did not stop my shedding, but my shedding was not as bad. That is true. But I just didn't feel like my hair felt any more, it didn't feel like I had more hair, you know? I don't know if that's just in my head, like, am I being crazy right now? It did stop the shedding, but my hair kind of stayed the same, you know? My hair I didn't feel like I had more hair. It didn't feel thicker or anything. It was just the shedding did stop, but yeah, it's just not worth it in my opinion. So if you have a better you know, outcome with this product, let us know down below, but for me, was not worth it. Next up, I have some jewelry pieces, guys. So I want to start off with these bracelets that I wear every single day. My sister has an Etsy shop. It's called SOLA Gifts, and she makes like bracelets made of like real stones and crystals and things like that. So she makes all of these bracelets. They're such good quality, and I'm not just saying that because she's my sister. Honestly, her quality is amazing. Like, she's had strangers purchase from her store, and everybody loves her bracelets. You can buy bracelets like just plain, or you can put a little charm on it like this. I have a little Saturn on it, and I have one with like a little evil eye. This is like one of my favorite bracelets right here. And oh my god, my Crackle Quartz, I love this. You guys have got to go to her site and check it out. I have like a little blue cat on here. You can customize whatever bracelet you want, put whatever charm you want on them. I wear these every single day. I get compliments on them all day. I bought them for my coworkers. Everybody loves them. So if you have a chance, and if you like bracelets, like crystal bracelets and like natural stone bracelets, check out her Etsy shop. I'll leave it down below. I love them. I wear them literally every day. Next up, I want to talk about earrings. I have two pairs here that I want to share with you. These are from Target. They're part of the A New Day brand, and the first ones that I ever bought were these really cute little gold ball bracelets, hoops. They're so cute. I wear them to work all the time. They're classy enough for work, but like you can also wear them out without a problem. I love them. They look heavy, but they're very light, but they don't feel cheap at all. They feel really, really nice. So I wear these all the time, and they're very inexpensive, guys. I just bought these recently, and I love them. These are like a little cluster of 3 hoops together. So freaking cute. I wear these to work and I wear them out, and I've gotten compliments on both of these pairs. They're so pretty, and like I said, so inexpensive. Even the ones that I'm wearing today are from Target. It's part of that A New Day brand, and these are just like a thicker hoop. I love these Target earrings. They don't have a lot of silver options. I wish they did, but they have these gold options, and I went today. There was another gold hoop pair that was cute, but it didn't like blow me away like these two pairs. So if I was in like a super shopping mood, I probably would have bought them, but I didn't. I just love these so much. I just wish they had more silver options because I do find myself wearing silver jewelry. Okay guys, I'm almost done, and I'm also like in a super duper rush. So for my skincare, I have been using the REPLENIX Anti-Aging Retinol 5 times Regenerate Dry Serum. This is so good. When you use retinol, guys, you only use a little tiny bit. So I use a little bit on my finger and I put it all over my face, but I just use so little that, you know, you're not gonna wake up with like a super dry, cracked face at all. And I have super dry skin, but I do a little pump, I rub it in my fingers, and I rub it all over my face, and I always follow up with a super like hydrating oil. Sometimes I'll use my rosehip oil that I love. I'll use like an anti-wrinkle treatment oil by DERMAE. I'll do argan oil. So I'll put that all over my face, and then I always follow up with my DERMAE anti-wrinkle renewal cream. I lock all of that moisture in with this cream, and I love this cream so much. It's a big tube, and like I feel like I haven't used any of it. It's such a good like hydrating cream. So these two products I feel like have really helped with my fine lines and wrinkles, and I also feel it helps a little bit with my acne. Like my texture really isn't that bad. So I really give it to this retinol cream. Now the thing with retinol too also is that you're not going to wake up with results, you know? You're not going to go to bed and wake up with like a whole new fresh face. No, you have to use this regularly for like about a month and you will see results. At least that's what I'm doing, and I love it. So I'm taking my skincare really seriously, and this is such a good product, guys. I love it. Always follow up with hydration. This is such a good cream, and your oils and everything, but I really love these two products. Alright guys, that's all that I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. It truly means a lot to me. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed, and also like this video if you enjoyed it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!